Signori, welcome into this new video. This is Elia and today we're in beautiful Sardinia in my hometown, and I've been here for a few days ever since coming back from LA, and honestly I've been loving every second here. It's been honestly a blast seeing family, seeing friends, and overall just enjoying your time over here, you know. So just trying to relax and getting some more into construction mode compared to the madness that was LA and the United States before. And in this beautiful evening, overlooking the sunset, I just wanted to bring you this content speaking about the subject of channeling energy. And what does that actually mean? Well, you see, channeling energy is nothing else than actually using your own limited amount of energy that we're being given every single day as we wake up in order to maximize our results and overall just get the best bang for the buck, you would say in English. So actually being able to channel your energy and being a laser instead, let's say, of an umbrella or a sphere where the energy is not so much being put into the right things. So whenever somebody starts their journey into their life, it's very likely that they're gonna find themselves making a choice and deciding how to use their time. And many times something that happens is that a person actually starts thinking and they are like, so I want to try this, I want to try that, and I want to try this too. And this actually works because in the beginning of your life, that's completely fine to do that. You need to experiment, you need to see whatever works for you and whatever doesn't. However, you reach a certain point where that kind of mindset does not apply for you anymore, and you do need to actually get your mindset and get your focus like being like a laser, and therefore being so focused that that is the only thing that you do. See, for me, this kind of scenario is something that is being applied right now as I'm starting my own business and I'm creating my own info products on the subject of personal development and overall subjects that are related to this one, so actually channeling energy. And for what it looks like on the outside is literally just working 18, 16, 12, 10 hours every day and trying to maintain your, let's say, your own focus and being as grounded and as focused as possible in order to get to the goal. So the idea when it comes to this is literally think of power versus force. So one is forceful, therefore you're like, let's say that you're trying to punch something. When it comes to force, you're just like, and it does not really work, you know, simply because you're not putting your own body into it, and therefore it's gonna be a weak punch. And you could apply this to your work life, to your relationship life. Whenever something is forceful, the energy is not really being challenged in the right way, compared to something that is powerful, that is instead a punch that is more like you're using your body in order to actually get the power across. And therefore the results are gonna come a lot easier, simply because you're helping yourself, you're channeling energy like a laser, and you're getting to the results as you always wished. It's really something that is gonna improve your life, improve your business, improve your day in life. And so therefore just make sure to apply this concept. Channel your energy into the right things. Don't waste your time on something that is completely useless. And I would say this is it for me right now. Think about it, make it work, maybe take some notes on the subject. And this being said, I will see you soon in the next video. So thank you for watching. Make sure to download How to Thrive in High Pressure Situations, which is my free ebook on the subject of not channeling energy, but just thriving in high pressure situations, which is something that happens into everyday life. And from beautiful Sardinia, this is it. And I will see you soon in the next video. Ciao, alla prossima.